have a backyard and there's no way for you to start gardening. Well, this is simple enough where you can start doing this with your kids immediately this very spring. So all you need is some strawberries and a couple of pots.
When buying strawberries, I would suggest to buy them in a bulk or in a big pot like this, because single strawberry plant was almost $5 in store today, and this big pot where I have almost about 7 or 8 plants was $10.
I'm going to get these strawberries out of the pot. This way we'll be able to separate individual plants.
Before doing this step, make sure the soil is very moist, and so the separation would be easier and you will not damage roots.
Shopping for strawberries. Normally each pot has about the same amount of strawberries, but every so often you will find that some might have a couple.
Any pot will do, but in case you're using a pot like mine, I just want to point out that when planting, you do not plant from the outside. This is a common mistake. Instead, you should plant from the inside. This way, the majority or the bulk of the root will be in a main soil chamber, and this will give a chance to plant to grow faster, better, and to produce a lot more fruit. Best time to plant strawberries is early spring because they love sunny but a bit cooler weather. Use ridge compost or potting mix, which will retain a lot of moisture because strawberries love rich, moist soil.
So it's simple as that, and it's early spring, so within a few weeks we should have our first strawberries.
Make sure they have water on regular basis, and another tip is to put the pots directly on soil, which will keep them nice and cool should weather get too hot. Thank you so much for watching. I love having you here on our channel as we continue to share simple tips and recipes on healthy living. My name is Vlada Vladic, and I'm a founder of a charitable organization called VLADA'S Seeds of Life, whose mission is reconnecting American families and communities. If you like this video, subscribe because we have a lot more on the way.